Welcome to the class, guys. The next concept after the source, that is code of conduct. Okay, what do you mean by code of conduct? Code of conduct ಅಂದರೆ laws ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, rules, norms, regulations or any obligations which was adopted in company or a business organization ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ code of conduct. Okay, meaning ನೋಡೋಣ. Code of business conduct, sometimes called a code of ethics, is a management tool for setting out the organization value, responsibilities and ethical obligations. As I said, code of conduct is nothing but it is a code of ethics. It is one of the management tool which is used to set out the organization's values, responsibilities and ethical obligation. That is called a code of conduct. Okay, then the code of conduct provides employees with the guidance for handling the difficult ethical situations related to the business. How the code of conduct is going to help or guide the employees means it going to guide the employees in the difficult situation, how to handle that situation which is related to the business. It was going to guide that employees in the business while taking decisions or any other situation, how to handle this situation. The code of conduct or the code of ethics, it will be guide to that employees of the business. Then following are the steps for developing a code of conduct. How the code of conduct is developed or how the code of conduct is take place. First one, developing a code, right? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ developing a code. Then effect and on employee behavior. ಕೋಡ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ how it will be going to affect to the employee behavior. Either it may be a good or bad, either it may be a right way or wrong way. Need to identify so that make effect on that code of to the employees. Then third one, instituting the code. Here instituting the code means establish or introduce that code. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೋಡ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಕೋಡ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಾಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ದ ಲಾ ಆರ್ ಅ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್, ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ code or a law. Next, good business conduct, how it is going to conduct in the business. These are all the steps how the code takes place. Then what a code of conduct should include. ಕೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲೇದಾಗಿ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, respect for all people. These are all it has some principles, ethical principles. ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಕೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಪ್ರೆಜುಡಿಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಲಾಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್: ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ taking some responsibilities of your own actions, like ensuring the appropriate use of informations or exercising the diligence or a duty of care obligations and avoiding the conflicts of interest. Like that accountability should be maintained. Then standard of conduct means going to conduct in a standard manner. It including the job description, commitment of the organization, and proper usage of the resources in a standard way or according to the organization instructions. Then standard of practice. Standard of practice includes current policies or the organization policies and procedures and the business operational manuals. It going to follow the that organization rules and regulations. That code will be must and should follow the organization policies. Then disciplinary actions. The code of conduct should include complaints handling and specific penalties for any problems of the code. Disciplinary actions means here any problems or any mistakes if done, it should be done with the penalties. It should be specified with some penalties. That type the code should be conducted. Then tips for writing a code. How the code should be write, how it should be represent means, first use a simple clear language that all employees can understand. Write code ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸಿಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಅನ್ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಫೈನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು evaluate or we need to verify once either it is a wrong or right. Before finalizing the document, we need to read the document. These are all the tips for writing a code of conduct. Then what is ethical value? Ethical values, here first need to know the meaning of value. A value which is served to distinguish between good and bad, right and wrong, moral, immoral. At the society level, these values frequently from the basis for what is permitted and what is prohibited, right? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಹಿಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಮಾರಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಮ್ಮೋರಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ. Following are the types of values. Values include some of the types. Moral value. Moral value ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ, like it is concerned with the principles of right and wrong behavior. How the human behavior is going, either it is in a right behavior or a wrong behavior. Moral values are a type of value, but for our purpose it's enough to say that values are things that people care about. Values are what matter to us. That values what matter to us, the people are going to think what that values what matter to us. They are what motivate to our behavior. What the moral values are going to motivate our behavior, that is called a moral value. Then ethical value. Ethical value denotes something degree of importance with the aim of determining what of action life is best to do or leave, or to describe the significance of different actions. Ethical value andre it going to denotes that something important with the aim of determining what our action of life is best to do, our life is best to do or leave. It is the ethical value. Then professional value. Professional value is nothing but how the it includes how the employees or how the organization or the how professional individuals are in behavior in their working environment, like integrity, compassion, continuous improvement, and their excellence ability. These are all the some of the professional values. Then social values. Social values is nothing but it is a set of principles that are morally acceptable by your society. Then psychological value. Psychological value is a sense of priorities. Either it may be individual priority or a group level priorities. In the group level, values can be studied at the individual level as well as a group level. The relative stability and generality of people's attitude towards the objective, right? People's How the people's attitudes are there, we are going to study. These are all the types of ethical value.